Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to see deleted messages on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to unmute it. So basically in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted messages on Snapchat. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat application and open your profile, then click on the settings icon to the upper right hand corner and make sure you have added email account here, and then scroll down and click on my data. So if you first time open this my data option, Snapchat will ask you to sign in here, so you have to sign in and then scroll down, and here we can see data available for download, login history and account information checked, snap history checked, chat history checked. So scroll down and click on submit request. So here we can see the notification, we received your request. We are preparing a copy of your data now. We will email you at your email address when your data is ready to download. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to unmute it. Thank you for watching.